Maskne is the new acne, and here's what's causing it. You've never got acne, but all of a sudden you start getting breakouts. Don't panic. You're not alone in your skincare struggles. But how do we treat these breakouts? And how do you prevent them from happening in the first place? Should maskne be treated any differently than regular acne? I'm here to give you all the need-to-know facts on mask-induced acne. I'm Dr. Jordan Wagner. I'm a board-certified emergency medicine physician, and on my show, I answer your urgent medical questions and clear up myths about certain deadly diseases. If you haven't already done so, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn your bell notifications on. That way you are instantly alerted when I post a new video. By now, we all have a PhD in hand washing and visually measuring 6 feet distance. And you've made or bought your knockoff Louis Vuitton face mask or found your favorite go-to bandana face covering and have been diligently wearing it for the past few months. But now, out of the blue, you're experiencing breakouts on your face in strange new spots. You've probably been dealt a hand of maskne, the latest not-so-fun term to enter the fight against the coronavirus. Acne that is caused by wearing a face mask. Since the beginning of time, primarily healthcare workers have been experiencing mask-induced outbreaks and skin irritations. But now, masks are becoming a part of everyday life for the rest of us as well. Everyone is experiencing the same effects. So what exactly is maskne or masky, as some people lovingly refer to it, and what causes it? As the name suggests, maskne is an acne caused by wearing face coverings. Usually it is caused by the overwearing of masks that have not been cleaned all that often, or by wearing friction, aka the rubbing and blockages of the skin by outside forces. This is called acne mechanica. Masks can often trap humidity, dirt, oil, and sweat inside. Your mask then creates friction and irritation on our skin surface, creating micro tears, allowing easier entry for bacteria and dirt to enter the skin, leading to inflammation, which activates the skin acne process. This is why it's super important to keep your mask clean. Forms of acne such as whiteheads, blackheads, and cysts tend to form where the skin mask sits on your face. The bridge of the nose, the chin, and the cheeks seem to be the most affected areas. This is not the first time this concern has reached the surface though. Dermatologists experienced the same bombardment of acne concerns during the SARS outbreak back in 2002. So how can you prevent maskne? No, I know what you were thinking. I am not suggesting to you to throw your face mask away. I repeat, keep wearing your face mask. Okay, now for some solutions to help you achieve a flawless complexion, all the while being a pandemic fighting pro. Number 1 maskne hack, wash everything. That's right, wash your face before and after wearing a mask. Think of your face kind of like your hands in some regards. Washing your face before putting on your mask eliminates any bacteria that linger on the surface of your skin. But be careful, remember to use a gentle cleanser and maybe scale back if you're experiencing over dryness or irritation from overwashing. Also, if you're using a reusable fabric face covering, wash your fabric mask between each use. If you're wearing a fabric face mask, you should be washing it after every time you wear it. Sweat, dirt, germs, oil, you name it, are being trapped within the mask. It's actually counterintuitive to your health to not properly clean your mask after each use. This can further exacerbate maskne and run the risk of contracting COVID-19. Most cloth masks are washing machine safe. So if you opt for a fabric face covering, it's ideal to keep a few on hand to cycle through wearing and washing. Eliminate makeup if you can. Dermatologists suggest ditching heavy foundations when heading into summer months. Heavy cosmetics will only further trap bacteria in your pores under your mask, the perfect acne breeding ground. Instead of caking and baking your face to death, opt for a tinted moisturizer or tinted sunscreen for breakout-friendly SPF protection. Exfoliate and moisturize. Try to incorporate a topical chemical exfoliant into your skincare routine. Chemical exfoliants dissolve dead skin cells on the skin surface. These dead skin cells are pore clogging triggers. Chemical exfoliants are often found in face toners. During your next Target store binge or Amazon shopping spree, pick up a toner containing the ingredient beta-hydroxy acid, or BHA, commonly known as salicylic acid. Try also to select a face toner that does not contain alcohol. Alcohol will counteract the effects of eliminating dead skin cells. It'll just dry it out and irritate your skin. Facial toners should be applied after washing your face and before moisturizing, using a cotton pad. What? But wait, Dr. Wagner, won't moisturizer break me out? A question I get often, but no, absolutely not. When your skin lacks moisture, it becomes dry and begins to shed dead cells. To counteract the dryness, your face produces a natural oil called sebum. The excess sebum and dead skin build up under the skin and mask, causing acne. After washing your face and using toner, you need to replenish the skin's moisture before it starts to produce sebum. Opt for a non-comedogenic and oil-free moisturizer. If you're someone who has acne-prone skin and, hypothetically speaking, allergic to moisturizer because you think you will break out, opt for a gel-based moisturizer. Gel-based moisturizers are lightweight, water-based, and replenish the skin's moisture without a greasy feel left behind. For healthcare workers or those experiencing extra dryness and eczema even, applying an over-the-counter cortisone cream on a short-term basis helps alleviate skin irritation and calm down the inflammation. What else helps combat maskne? Create a barrier. When dealing with stubborn maskne, it is key to create a barrier between your face covering and skin. A layer of occlusive balm will not only hydrate your skin, but will prevent bacteria from spreading under your mask. Silicone tape or acne patches. Yes, tape. Acne patches are another dual functioning solution as they apply acne medication to individual breakouts throughout the day while also serving as a barrier to your mask. Assess your face mask material. If you're someone with acne-prone skin and in a never-ending maskne cycle, consider what type of material your face mask is made out of. To reduce and prevent acne caused by the mask, you want a mask material that creates as little friction as possible on your skin. Silk is probably the most gentle and causes the least amount of friction. Remember, less friction equals less dead skin cell buildup and fewer outbreaks. Zinc oxide mask. A mask with zinc oxide embedded in the fabric may be helpful as well. Zinc is an anti-inflammatory and soothing to the skin. It will contribute to protecting your skin's barrier and stopping the spread of COVID-19. Lastly, remember that masks are important for our safety and to keep the cases of COVID-19 low. Seriously, don't just stop wearing your face covering because of a pesky pimple. If all else fails and your acne does get out of hand, it's best to contact a dermatologist who can properly assess your skin's needs. All right, let me know in the comments if you have any other medical questions that you'd like me to answer. As always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn your bell notifications on. Thank you so much for watching and stay healthy, my friends.